Hello and assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to be making onion rings. I grabbed 3 onions, 1 cup of flour, and 4 tablespoons of cornstarch. I also add half a teaspoon of black pepper. Now I'm cutting my onions. I'm now mixing all of my dry ingredients together. I then add 1/3 cup of cold water. I then dip my onion rings into the flour mixture. I then dip my onion rings into a breadcrumb mixture, any kind is fine. And on medium heat, I put my onion rings in, and you're going to take them out once they look golden brown. And here's the final product. I hope you enjoyed.
Bye guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to make a thumbs up, like, subscribe. Bye!